If you want financial freedom, in this video I will show you each and everything about Kitty Godzai that has been made on Solana blockchain, and the pre-sale will be started within 4 days. Be ready for this grand opportunity. I will show you that how can you participate. You can check out each and everything about this profitable project. So here is Kitty Godzai that is coming soon on Solana, and the pre-sale will be started after 4 days. So be ready for it. If you want to participate in their pink sale, then you have to click on it and the page will be shown as this is the upcoming one, where you can check out that this is the freest addition to the crypto universe, as this is huge potential for the profitable thing that you have not ever seen, because this is not just a meme token, this is a lifestyle crafted on the speedy Solana network. It promises a whisker quick transaction basketball to digital finance with a smile. Here you can check out all the detail like fast transaction C and C. Here is CoinMarketCap listing, and CoinGecko listing is confirmed with CX listing. Bitmarket.io on major exchanges, they are going to list their token with zero tax when you are buying or selling. So here is fully audited by contract. Here you can check out that there is 24/7 non-stop shilling is going on. You can check out the blogger videos for your help. Here is some basic information about token, their swap cap, when it is going to start, what is the end time. You can check out all this detail on the pink sale. On the main home interface of their website, you can check their audit verification also. When we click on it, then you will set this is the interface where you can check out the information about Godzai, because the token name is Kitty Godzilla and token symbol is Godzi with zero tax with manual editing. Here is a complete information about their token address and maximum supply. Next thing, you can check out their KYC verification that has been also in progress. Like here you can see has been done, it is completed. Like KYC page verifies that the project has successfully completed their verification, and you can check out some detail also on their main home interface about Godzai, where you can see the freest addition to the crypto universe, the heart of internet obsession with all things that are cute and fluffy. There is not just a meme token, it is a lifestyle that you are going to get by joining this Solana network. Here you can check out that they are going to promises whisker quick transactions. This is a mountain of yarn like threads of community connection and basket full of opportunities. Here you can check out that on many official YouTube channels are working with them as collaborations. Here is some things that you have to know about tokenomics. What is total token supply, what is pre-sale that is going to done on pink sale fair after 4 days. You can check out detail also on it, and this is locked by 1 year. Next thing is about their roadmap, in which you can find out that what their team has been done, what they are trying to do. All this type of detail has been shared in their phase wise. In phase 1 crawl, they have made the website with social media launch. They are going to get marketing and community strategies so that they can expand their community on different social media link. You can check out what is the future. They are going to list on major exchanges as well. There are partners that is working with Solskin, Radium, CoinGecko, pink sale also. So next thing, you can check out some detail about their white paper like Godzi, that is the research Kitty Godzilla, where you can check a strong network behind it. And this is the tokenomics, where you can check out some detail about their tokenomics, how they are going to done their distribution in different categories can also be checked out. You can check out their roadmap with vision and ambitions of their team, so that you can join and you will see this token on major exchange website as Gate.io, CoinStore, HTX, LBank, SuperX, CoinX and CX listing. Next thing is about their community that you are going to join, so that you will be updated when any feature will be done. You will be notified by notification, and you can join also in their pink sale that is going to done on it. You can join them on their Instagram. There are many information that you should have to grab so that you can make right decision on time and your profit will be done. This is the link of their Telegram customer service support that you can take any question or query answered by contacting this username. I will provide all this link in video description, so I hope that you have cleared. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.